Black Shark Crypto, tap bots, airdrops, trading. Black Shark Crypto.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Crypto Snake here, and in today's step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through setting up and getting started with Phantom Wallet. Let's dive right in. Phantom is a non-custodial multi-chain wallet designed for buying, sending, receiving, storing, and trading crypto and NFTs. It provides access to the vibrant Web3 ecosystem across Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and Bitcoin. Additionally, Phantom is compatible with Ledger hardware wallet. It's important to note upfront that Phantom is not an open source wallet. This means that its underlying code is not accessible to the public. To start, head to the phantom.app website and select Download. Choose your preferred browser, we're using Chrome, and install the extension. Once installed, you can pin it for quicker access. You'll be redirected to the landing page and presented with two options: to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Since we're starting fresh, click Create New Wallet. Set up and confirm your password, read and agree to the terms of service, then click Continue. The next step is crucial. Phantom will generate a 12-word secret recovery phrase, which is essential for wallet recovery in case you lose access. Hover the mouse over the words to reveal them and write down the words in the same order as displayed. Remember to store your recovery phrase securely, as losing it means losing access to your wallet and crypto assets permanently. Never share it with anyone, as doing so could compromise the security of your wallet. Once you've done this, confirm that you've saved your secret recovery phrase and click Continue. Your wallet is now ready to use. Click Get Started to proceed. Click on the Phantom Extension tab to open it. On the top, you have your balance and main functions, followed by the default tokens for Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon. You can go to Manage Token List to remove the tokens you don't use or add them back. Bitcoin is also available in Phantom as a beta version, which you can enable in settings. Now, let's top up the balance. One option is to buy crypto via the Buy button. Select your coin, choose the amount you wish to spend, and click Next. Then, select your provider, either MoonPay or Coinbase, and proceed by following their instructions. Another way to top up your balance is by receiving funds. Click Receive. Select the coin from the list. For this tutorial, we're using Ether. Then, copy and send your wallet address to the sender, or show them your QR code. Once the funds are received, they'll reflect in your wallet balance. Your total balance is shown at the top, and each coin balance is displayed in its respective tab. Click on the coin to access its balance, functions, information about the coin, and your transaction history with it. You can click Swap and select the coins to swap them directly from the Phantom wallet without needing to enter an exchange. Enter the amount, and you'll receive a calculation of how much you'll receive, along with information about the provider and the current best price. Review your order and click Swap if you wish to proceed. Now, let's send some crypto. Return to the menu and select your coin. Click Send and enter the recipient's address. You can either click Maximum or enter the amount you wish to send. Then click Next. Review your details and adjust your gas fee if you wish. The lower the fee, the slower the transaction. The higher the fee, the faster the transaction. When you are ready, click Send. Your funds are now on their way. Click on View Transaction to be redirected to Etherscan, where you can view detailed information about your transaction. Your updated balance will reflect in your wallet and coin balance, and your transaction will appear in the list of transactions in the coin menu. That concludes our overview of the main wallet tab. Now let's explore the remaining features. In the NFT tab, you can browse your NFT collection. Next, there's the Swap tab. Then we have the Recent Activity tab, which displays your activity with all tokens. Lastly, there's the Browse tab, where you can explore various Web3 apps, view token statistics and trends, browse collections across networks, and engage in quests for rewards. In Phantom, you can even mint a photo or video, a feature available in the mobile application. Additionally, you have access to educational articles about crypto, which are always valuable. Moving on to other functionalities. Hovering your mouse over your account at the top allows you to copy your wallet address for each token, providing a convenient shortcut. Clicking the icon in the top left corner grants access to your account information and management. From there, you can add another wallet by creating a new one, connecting a hardware wallet, importing a secret recovery phrase or private key, and watching a public wallet address. Below, you can manage your active accounts and access settings. In Settings, you can rename your account by clicking on it, View your addresses, review your secret recovery phrase and private key. In Preferences, you can customize settings such as display language, default app wallet, and preferred explorer for each token. Under Security and Privacy, you can change your password, set up an auto-lock timer, download application logs, toggle showing wallet shortcuts, and sharing anonymous analytics, and reset the app. Additionally, you have access to active networks, address book, and connected apps. In active networks, you can enable and disable networks, including activating Bitcoin available in beta mode. In developer mode, you can turn on testnet mode. Finally, you have access to help and support and more information about Phantom Wallet. At the bottom, you can click Lock Wallet to sign out of Phantom. That wraps up today's Phantom Wallet tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.